Hello, RPS scholars, and welcome back to day two working with word reference resources, specifically the thesaurus. Again, I am Mrs. Hobson, and I'm happy to work with you. Don't forget you will need paper and pencil to do these activities. I'm now going to share my screen with you. The I can statement for today, I can use the thesaurus to expand my vocabulary while reading. Word reference resources. Here are the dictionary, thesaurus, and glossary. These are the three word reference resources that we use. You've had exposure to the dictionary and glossary, and we're going to emphasize this week on the thesaurus. A dictionary, glossary, and thesaurus are called word reference resources because they all help readers and writers locate specific information about words. A thesaurus is like a dictionary. It is another kind of reference source you can use to learn about words. It contains synonyms, words that mean the same, such as hot, roasting. It also has antonyms, words that mean the opposite, such as hot and cold. The thesaurus also lists parts of speech for entry words, nouns, verbs, adjectives are some examples. There are sometimes definitions in some thesauruses. The entry words are in alphabetical order, and the guide words are at the very top of the page. Some thesauruses can also be viewed online. Now we're going to take a look inside of a page from a thesaurus. On this page, you see the guide word, accompany and advance. Accompany is the very first word on the page, and advance are the last words on the page. And you see advance has two different meanings. That's why you see a one and a two, because it has two different meanings. One is a noun and the other is a verb. The words in bold print that you see that are in the smaller bold print, those are synonyms, words that mean the same. So let's take a look at the word advance while we're here. Advance, for definition number one, is a verb. It means to move forward or develop. And then there's a sentence. The forces advance on the battlefield. And one of the synonyms that stands out to me that I can view is press on. So advance, a synonym that means the same, a word that means the same as advance, is to press on. Definition number two is a noun. It means progress in something. Here is the sentence. Scientific advances help us explore the solar system in even greater detail. The synonym that stands out right here is progress. So advance means to progress, in this case, as it's used as a noun. Now let's look back at the word accompany. Accompany is a verb. It means to occur with something. And the sentence says a cold is often accompanied by a cough. And a synonym that stands out is to come with. All right. So let's take a deeper look. Look at the word change, which is right here at the top of your page. In this case, change is a verb, and it means to exchange one thing for another. And the sentence says, can I change the red t-shirt for a black one? Here are some synonyms. They are words that mean the exact same as this word change. Okay, and again, here's the sentence. And we can switch that word out with any one of these words because these words here, again, are synonyms and they mean the same as change. Let's take even a more deeper look. So, when we look at the sentence, I can change the red t-shirt for a black one. We could change uh, the word change and we could switch it out for this word. I can swap the red t-shirt for the black one. I can trade the red t-shirt for the black one. I can replace the red t-shirt for the black one. Again, all of these are synonyms, words that mean the exact same as the word change. All right, now we're going to practice with some synonyms. Look at the word funny. Here's the word funny. The word funny is a multiple meaning word. It has two different definitions. This funny right here is an adjective, being strange or odd. Chris heard a funny noise. Mysterious, odd, peculiar, puzzling, strange, unusual. That's the funny. It was strange. All right. But down here, definition number two, funny is an adjective as well, but it means causing amusement. Jessica laughed at her sister's funny story. And then you see these various synonyms, words that mean the same as this funny, amusing, comic, comical, hilarious, humorous, witty. Okay, they mean funny. So we could switch any one of these words out to make Jessica sentence come out even more. Instead of using the word funny, Jessica laughed at her sister's amusing story. We have to switch out the word funny and switch out your ing suffix to make it present tense, but you could do that. All right. So let's look over here. Again, the word funny is a multiple meaning word. It has more than one definition. So let's look at this question. Which meaning of the word funny is used in the sentences below? The teacher was so amusing. The teacher was so amusing. Can you figure that out? You're right. If you said funny, the teacher was so amusing. That's right. She had to be funny, but she wasn't strange. She was funny, right? And what about this one? A very odd noise was coming from the closet. Which funny is that? Absolutely, is definition number one. It was a strange, it was a mysterious noise. It came from the closet. So now can you use this time to create a sentence using definition one and definition two? And you can feel free to use any one of these synonyms, again, words that mean the same. When you're done with your sentences, please be sure to share them with one of your family members. Now, this is some practice on your own. You're going to take this time when you have a chance to complete this activity. It says write two synonyms for each word. Use the thesaurus entries to help you. These are the thesaurus entries. And you see the word chat is a verb. It means to speak or talk. And I'm sorry, here are the guide words at the top of the page, okay? First word is chat. There you see chat here. Last word is doze, and doze is here. And everything else falls in between. The word chuckle is a verb, means to giggle, laugh. Clean is a verb, it means to bathe, wash. Cold is an adjective, it means chilly or freezing. Cry is a verb, it means to sob or weep. Damp is an adjective, means moist or wet. Delicious is an adjective, it means tasty or yummy. Doze is a verb, and it means to nap or to sleep. Remember, these are all synonyms over here, okay? Because the chat means the same thing as to speak or laugh. So you're going to go here, and I'm going to do the first one with you. The first word says damp. So if we look up here at our thesaurus, we can look at the word damp. Again, it's an adjective, it's a describing word. And so we will put on the line moist and wet. Okay? And so now all you have to do is go here, look at the word clean, find it up here, and then you'll be able to put your words on the line. When you have completed your activity, your parents can share with you the answers. Thank you so much for your time again today, and I look forward to seeing you again tomorrow. Have a great rest of the evening.